Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. There's one truth we all share, one fact we spend our lives avoiding, one shadow that walks beside us, silent, inevitable, and often feared. That truth is death. But to the Stoics, death wasn't a topic to avoid. It was the starting point of philosophy, the teacher, the mirror, the final reminder to live, not someday, but now. Today we'll explore what the Stoics really believed about death, and how accepting it can unlock the most meaningful life you've ever lived. Let's begin. The Stoic view of death, not the end, but a reminder. To the Stoics, death was not a tragedy. It was natural, universal, impersonal. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, you could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think. He didn't say this to frighten himself. He said it to focus himself. If you knew this might be your last day, would you waste time in anger, in jealousy, in gossip? Would you scroll endlessly, argue needlessly, live passively? Or would you speak your truth? Love fiercely, forgive quickly, create boldly. That is what Memento Mori means. Remember you will die, so that you may finally start to live. Why we fear death, and why we don't have to. We fear what we don't understand. We fear what we can't control. And most of all, we fear wasted time. But the Stoics saw death differently. Seneca wrote, "It is not death that we should fear, but the idea that we never began to live." Death is not your enemy. Your enemy is distraction. Your enemy is delay. Your enemy is the illusion that you have time to waste. The Stoic doesn't fear death. They befriend it. They walk with it side by side, letting its presence sharpen every moment. That morning coffee could be the last. That goodbye hug might never return. That breath you just took, a gift. When you live like that, you don't shrink in fear, you rise in purpose. Stoic practices for facing death. Here are the ways the Stoics practiced death, not in theory, but in daily life. 1. Memento Mori. Remember you will die. Place a token or symbol where you'll see it daily. A skull figurine, a quote on your mirror, a background on your phone. Not to be morbid, but to be mindful. It's not about death, it's about presence. This moment, this breath, this life. 2. Evening reflection. Did I live today? Each night ask, if today were my last, would I be proud of how I lived it? Did I say what mattered? Did I love well? Seneca encouraged us to balance the books of our life daily. Don't wait to be better tomorrow. Be better tonight. 3. Let go of the fear of loss. We fear the death of people we love, and yes, we will lose them. But the Stoic asks, does loving someone mean possessing them forever, or appreciating them fully while they're here? Epictetus wrote, when you kiss your child, say softly, tomorrow you may not have them. It's not detachment, it's honest, sacred gratitude. Don't cling. Love deeply. Now 4. Don't postpone your soul. We often say, I'll start living after this job, after I retire, after I fix everything. The Stoics say, no, life is now. Seneca warned, you act like mortals in all that you fear, and like immortals in all that you desire. Stop thinking you have time. Start living as if today is your chance, because it is. The paradox of accepting death. When you truly accept that death is inevitable, unpredictable, and outside your control, you don't become nihilistic. You become liberated. You stop fearing what's coming. You start focusing on what you can do now. You write the book. You speak the truth. You hold the hand. You walk the mountain. You live with urgency, clarity, humility. Quotes to carry with you. Death smiles at us all. All we can do is smile back. Marcus Aurelius. You act like you'll live forever, but your time is slipping away. Seneca. Don't demand that things happen as you wish. Wish for them to happen as they do. Epictetus. These are not quotes to make you sad. They are keys to freedom. You're not here forever, so stop acting like it. Live. Conclusion. Death is the mirror that makes life beautiful. To the Stoics, death is not darkness, it is a mirror. And when you look into that mirror every day, you wake up, you stop chasing illusions, you start asking better questions. Who do I want to be? What truly matters? What am I waiting for? Death is not the end of life. It is what gives life its urgency, its edge, its beauty. So walk with it. Don't fear it. Let it sharpen you. And when the final moment comes, you will smile back. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video touched something deep in you, share it with someone who needs to stop waiting and start living. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.